So we got up early, before 6 o'clock, to head out from Georgetown to Irondale.
It's a 3-hour drive, but we're hoping to see a varied thrush. Oh yeah!
Okay, we're here at Bark Lake Leadership Center, and behind us is a bird feeder with a varied special bird.
Yeah, you might even call it a varied thrush from the West Coast.
Let's go see if we can find it.
These bird feeders look like they're stocked up with some black oil sunflower seeds. That seems to be a favorite of the birds around here.
Oh, we got a female hairy woodpecker.
You can tell it's a female because there's no red cap on its head. The males have a red cap on their head, but the females, well, they do not. It's just black. The tuft of feathers covering the nostrils keeps out the dust and splinters from pecking wood.
Huh, I didn't know that.
Useful.
Hairy woodpeckers can be found year-round in southern Ontario. Looks like some people here have their eyes on something. Oh, it's the varied thrush.
The varied thrush has a black cap, black eye stripe and necklace, black wing bars alternating with the orange and a long black tail. Note the long, slightly curved black beak, orange legs, and apricot plumage under the tail. The eyes are large, black, and alert.
Damn, that's good description, John.
Came up with it myself, word for word, out of my mind.
It's beautiful.
Now it's on the ground, feeding on some seed.
The varied thrush is regularly seen in the west coast of North America. Not here, central frickin' Ontario.
Varied thrushes form loose groups around food as they migrate south. Since there aren't many varied thrushes in Ontario right now, though, this guy here is taking cues from the squirrels and other birds. Pro tip! Since these guys are ground feeders, the best way to attract them to your feeder is to actually throw the seed on the ground, around the feeder.
You don't normally see them feeding directly on your bird feeder. You more often see them on the ground feeding on the seed there. Well, looks like it's over by Sean. This bird prefers boreal and temperate forest ecosystems. And the global population of this bird is estimated at 26 million. I mean, trust me, that's an estimate.
The oldest varied thrush was at least 4 years and 9 months when recaptured.
In very rare occasions, you may come across a varied thrush where the orange has been replaced with white feathers. Just so you know, but very rarely. You'll probably never see it in your life.
Well, that was a good day. Gonna head out.
Got a long drive home. Woohoo!
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. We appreciate you watching.
Subscribe, hit that notification button, like the video please. That's the most important part, is liking this video. Stay fly!